Good morning, traders. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci software that's showing you ultimate precision, that's showing you ultimate importance by trading by the rules. Correct? Everyone witnessing this? This morning, we're dealing with entirely different case scenario. This morning, market selling off. So here's the software projected on 1-minute chart as we discussed with traders before market open, price at the bold red zone. Not the place to buy, only option to short from. To the downside, this is key level. Can you obey red? Can you obey green? Can you see how simple pure price for entry in Alpha Fibonacci with precise exits is? If that took's defaulting, market will go into free fall. Are you ready for that? So please, know your trading range. This is key level this morning. And it's not little level, it's institutional buy point. If institution's not defending the critical key buy point this morning, we have a problem. Market setting up for institutional crush. That's it. How instantly price reversed from this level, target decision point 2, is a stunning reminder. Do not gamble, do not speculate. When the green zone present, obey the rules. Here we are again. Trades on multiple other charts. I project the software on 1-minute chart so you can see ultimate precision instantly without any delays. Your trading day is done. Your trading day is over. This is all you ever need. When you start with a single lot, by the end of the year, you're trading 10 lots. You're adding 1 lot each profitable month. By the end of 10 years, you're trading 10 lots. You're not a gambler. That's it. So when I work with intelligent trader like William, his trading day is over. 80% of your trade is done before you ever place a trade. What is 10 points on S&P? $50 per point. $5,000 single lot. $500 on micro S&P single lot. Multiplied by 10. Multiplied by 20. You don't need to stare at the screen. With the power of Alpha Fibonacci system, Alpha Fibonacci software, and your limitless brilliant brain. If William can do it, so can you. So again, critical key target is reached. Monitoring for bullish reversal. What played out yesterday was flawless and breathtaking. What played out yesterday was a stunning reminder how Alpha Fibonacci system identified key buy point in advance. So this is in front of you right now. Target RZ green zone, not the place to short into, the place to monitor for powerful bullish reversal from. William knows where to exit his trade. No gambling, no speculation here. Flawless, breathtaking work. So this is a critical key chart in case you missed the events yesterday. Let's recap what's playing out currently. I'm taking you back by 2 days. This is a chart present in the trading room, where hours and days in advance you understand where institutions will be buying the markets. You also understand where the brick wall to the upside will be. You are not a gambler. With the ultimate precision, market reverses yesterday from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. If I convert this chart to 3, to 5, to 10, to 15, this was breathtaking. With the power of Alpha Fibonacci rules, number 1, you knew clearly not to short into, no matter what chart you trade. This playing out in front of you right now, without any delays. But intelligent trader knows with a single glimpse buyers are weak. If price fails to break through the upside through this level, nothing here to do. It's bullish junk. And that's ultimate precision with ultimate reversals with the power of Alpha Fibonacci software. Not software on this chart. Not. You can use this on any instrument, any time frame. This morning we're entirely different place. This is the reason market sold off. This morning price at the brick wall, not the place to buy. Are you prepared for default? Do you understand what this means? We discuss so many different subjects in the course. So price has potential collapse to this level. Buyers are worthless. This is a key. That's it. No speculation, no gambling here. Ultimate rule-based, proprietary predictive system. The sky's the limit if you obey the rules. Every trader who trades Alpha Fibonacci system in US and globally since 2011 on all instruments, all time frames, or with software for Ninja Trader 8 knows that. Historical events in front of you. We are at historical levels. This is critical key event. We've been here for the last 8 weeks. And again, you knew all of this months in advance. This is spectacular, breathtaking reversal. This is where trading is easy. This is where intelligent trader making all the money in the months of October, November, December 2022. It's easy trading. Entirely different market than now. Institutions buying the market despite inflation, despite astronomical rate increase each and every time, price keeps skyrocketing until it's not. And you knew this many months in advance. You see it in a single class. Why is price stuck in so much pain? Why is trading so difficult? This is the worst 8 weeks in the markets in years. You can master this. The sky's the limit. This is the ultimate place. Ultimate knowledge is built. You can trade this horrific institutional holds. You can trade anything you choose. No buyers this morning. Market stuck. This is key level to the upside. There is nothing else, only this morning. So let's recap what played out in the trading room this week, shall we? If I bring to your attention oil, the most phenomenal bullish news we have ever seen on oil in many, many months. What do we witness in the trading room? At the time of oil news, oil at Alpha Fibonacci brick wall. This is not the place to buy oil. Again, let's go back to a day before oil news, May 23rd. You understand very clearly, institutional rally overextended. This is not the place to buy oil. The most phenomenal bullish news and oil in free fall. If trading on the news worked, everybody on the planet would be Bill Gates. It never does. Trading on the news is gambling. Trading with Alpha Fibonacci precision is ultimate way to trade. The most spectacular bullish news ever, an oil collapse 200 points plus. This was breathtaking event. This was spectacular May 17th. Let's go all the way down. Why? Because on May 17th, we had the worst bearish news on oil ever. But my goodness, oil at institutional buy point. This is oil on May 17th. Huge oversupply of oil. May 17th, oil bearish news. Here's oil day before major news, May 16th. You're using your limitless brain, you're playing by the rules. With a single glimpse, you know this is institutional buy point. Since extremely bearish news, May 17th, oil skyrocketed 500 points. Until the next news. Bearish news on oil did not mean a thing. Spectacular, flawless, institutional buying on oil. Until it's not. This is Ultimate Alpha Fibonacci chess. How oil sold off yesterday was breathtaking and stunning reminder. Do not pull a trigger randomly on the news. Use your brilliant brain and remember, this applies to all time frames, all charts, all instruments. Pure price remains the same across the border. That's it. An identical event playing out in front of you right now on S&P. Price reached reversal zone. Not a place to short into. Rules are met, take long. We are in historical markets. That's it. And that's in front of you each and every day in our trading room. In the course, you learn the rules. In the trading room, you witness instantly the power of the system without any delays. This is critical key break wall to the upside. Buyers are worthless. It's bullish correction only. No speculation, no gambling here. Ultimate simplicity. Do not buy bold red line. If you do, success rate less than 20%. Bold red line, your only option to short from. Bold green line, your only option to buy from. But there is one critical key piece of a puzzle left that you learn in the course. That's it. The sky's the limit when you obey Alpha Fibonacci rules. And when S&P in pain and oil sold off, you can trade Bitcoin. Bitcoin sold off since November 2021. In front of you, historical level on Bitcoin. This level is out Bitcoin in free fall. And you knew all of this far in advance. How Tesla skyrocketed. I'm receiving emails from students who bought the bottom on Tesla. And Tesla picked up the steam at this level. But again, the same event playing out in front of you right now on S&P. As S&P reached reversal zone, bold green line, not the place to short. Rules are met, take a trade. So even during historical markets, again and again and again, all plays out in front of you to the tick. Of course, simplicity is a crucial, critical key part of your success. Do not overcomplicate trading. Did we know this? Of course. That's it. And if S&P is skyrocketing hundreds of points, you're very well prepared. Take the profits of the table, move the stop outside of break even. Price doing identical thing as Tesla, as oil, as Bitcoin. There is only one difference between those instruments. Risk management and trade hold time. When you trade one, you can trade them all. Again, trade on multiple other charts. I project software on 1 minute chart. And that's Ultimate Alpha Fibonacci chess during historical markets. This is key moment to the upside. Intelligent trader knows this. After this, trading room is closed. Intelligent trader not staring at the charts. There is ever zero reason to do that. So I love, love, love working with complete beginner traders because their brains are not clogged up. They're not obliterated and shattered by the markets. They're not chasing junky cheap indicators. They see instantly the power of the system. So when 14-year-old boy can trade this, after 2 weeks in the course, anyone can. Ultimate precision, ultimate simplicity in front of you. Do not ever speculate, do not ever gamble. RZ means reversal zone. This may be the trading range for the rest of the day. There is nothing else. That's it. So this is simplicity. When hedge fund manager bringing his son in the course, Dominic holding the bar very, very high. If 14-year-old boy can do this, anyone can. Listen to podcasts and witness the power of pure brain and little effort. But Dominic's father trading entirely different instruments. That's it. That's simplicity, that's purity. You will never, ever, ever will need anything else. That's it. So here's another beginner trader, Pablo. Pablo quit his law practice and is a full-time trader trading live after 2 weeks in the course. Pablo and I spoke yesterday. I look forward meeting him in Europe very, very soon. That's it. Ultimate simplicity, ultimate precision in front of you during historical events. You will never, ever, ever need anything else. Again, stunning reminder, there is nothing else. Only this is present. Do not ever buy reversal zone. Know where to exit your long. If you can drive, you can trade Alpha Fibonacci system. If traders all over the world can do this, so can you. It never gets old. That's it. Time and time again. When can buying house for cash, trading Alpha Fibonacci system, anyone can. Simply make an effort and the skies are the limit. So this is ultimate precision during historical events. This is ultimate reminder on simplicity and importance of trading by the rules. So please view movie student made about Fibonacci Trading Institute on our website and simply review everything on the website. If you're serious about trading and you're done gambling and you look forward trading markets as strategic, intelligent trader, I look forward working with you. Live recorded classes, video library modules, trading room, multi-market scanners, group or mentoring classes are included in multiple packages in front of you. Option 2, the most popular option, savings $5,000. Option 4, private mentoring, savings $8,000. Please review all the details on the homepage and most importantly, listen to podcasts from traders from all over the world. If these traders can do it, so can you. View emails from students from all over the world. If these traders can do it, so can you. All you have to do, make an effort. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298. Thank you traders so much for spectacular week. Please be extremely careful in such historical markets. Ultimate best time to learn. This is your trading range as of this moment in front of you right now. That's showing you clearly time and time again. Obey the rules and the skies are the limit with the power of Alpha Fibonacci system. Take a great care, everyone.